Hi. It's foggy. I can't see anything ahead.
How you doing?
I'm doing good.
Toasty?
How about yourself?
Pretty good. I'm not going far. It's going out right here. I can remember where I went. That's right here.
It's there.
Huh?
It's there.
I don't think I was past the trees. I think I was over there in that shallow.
No, you're fine.
No, because that down there's where you was on them rocks.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Where's
saying.
that tree that was in the middle?
That, you know, you stand in here and you throw in there.
Yeah.
That's it. Yeah. You want to stop it? You want to stop in here now or go down?
I fish right in here.
Okay.
That tree, I don't see it in there.
You just can't remember it. Okay, let's try to catch it.
There's a tree that was over in the middle.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I fished right here.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay, let's stop in here.
This is the tree that